Niki Live app review. Is Niki Live the best streaming and chat app on the market today? If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Niki Live has quickly gained popularity as a global live streaming and chat platform where users can connect, broadcast, and interact with fans in real time. Whether you're looking to stream your talents, chat with new people, or earn rewards as a host, Niki Live promises an easy way to do it all. But is it really worth using? The app's interface is sleek and user-friendly, making it simple to go live or browse trending streams. You can find creators from around the world performing music, gaming, or just chatting casually. Niki Live also features an in-app gifting system where viewers can send virtual gifts to their favorite streamers who can then convert them into real earnings. Similar to apps like Bigo Live or Miko, the monetization system is one of Niki's Live main draws, giving streamers a genuine opportunity to earn income while growing their audience. In terms of safety and moderation, Niki Live has improved over time with verified accounts, real-time chat filters, and an active moderation team to reduce inappropriate content and spam. It also offers private chat options through though users should always stay mindful of privacy and do not share personal details with strangers. While the app performs well, a few users report occasional lag or glitches during those peak hours, and some of the top features like VIP access or exclusive gifts may require in-app purchases. Still, the overall experience is smooth, fun, and highly engaging. Overall, Niki Live stands out as a solid and entertaining live streaming platform. It's ideal for both viewers and aspiring hosts who want to share their talents, connect socially, and even earn on the side. With its strong community vibe and global reach, Niki Live is definitely worth checking out if you're into live interaction and streaming culture.